Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to put picture on Safari background. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. You can easily customize your Safari browsing experience by adding your favorite pictures as the background. First, develop in Safari, make sure you are in a new tab. After that, tap the Edit button over here and then scroll down to the bottom. You'll see an option called Background Image. To enable it, just tap on the switch next to Background Image. Then scroll down to the bottom and you can select any of these pictures to be set as your Safari background. If you want to select a picture from your camera roll, tap the plus button. Then tap and select the picture. Once you've selected your background, tap the X button at the top right corner of the screen. That's all. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.